guys. I'm going to be talking to you today about IsoStar. You should now be seeing the main server interface. So this is, as you can see from the address bar up top, isostar.ccdc.cam.ac.uk, and this is the home screen that you're presented with when you go to this location. So what is this actually showing you? Well, it's showing you how we've split up all of those central groups into various different categories to help you locate the one that might be of interest to you. And we've done that by splitting them up into either terminal groups or acyclic ring systems, also solvates. And we also have a distinction between, for the PDB data, whether that information is coming from an interaction with a ligand in the PDB or a protein in the PDB. I'll show you that a little bit later in a bit more detail. We also have these buttons up the top, which is another way to navigate the different types of plot we have. So if I have a look at, say, ligand terminal there, you get a more graphical representation of what's in each section. So you can scroll through these and see if you can find a group which represents the type of chemistry that you're interested in exploring a little bit further. So as an example, I shall look at the carboxylic acid group. You'll notice for this group we have 3 different types of plot. So we have the charged carboxylic acid, and we also have the uncharged versions where the hydrogen may be either cis or trans. So we group together very similar types of central groups so that you can view the data alongside each other. If I flip between these, you may also notice the numbers for the CSD column are changing, but the PDB is not. And that is because in the PDB, hydrogen atoms are much harder to locate. So the difference between these groups is not very easy to determine. So what we do in IsoStar is we ignore that hydrogen atom position and we have a single plot PDB. In the CSD, it's better to locate hydrogen atom details, so we can have that distinction. We can see the differences. For each and every central group, we will have a page very much like this, which shows you the contact groups that are interacting with that central group. Each and every central group will have the same set of data with the same available contact groups. And we again split these into different sections of similar types of chemistry, such as NH or OH groups. You'll see down further we have also sulfur or halides, alkali metals is some of the new data, which I'll touch on again a bit later. And you'll also see numbers in the CSD or the PDB columns, and this shows you where data is available for an interaction between this central group and the contact group that is defined over here. If any of these columns are blank, that means there's no data that has been found for that. And there are some where we don't carry out that search. Again, here, the PDB searches, we cannot differentiate between these types of hydrogen, so they're not carried out. But anywhere there's a number, that gives you an idea of how many hits we have for that particular interaction. For this one, there's a lot of hits, and we do cap those at a maximum of up to 10,000 entries for a particular scatter plot. Each one of these is a hyperlink to the actual scatter plot file. And what happens when I click on that is that it will download that scatter plot from the server, and it will attempt to open it in the IsoStar client on your computer.